Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the traffic police of cell, we may say the postman of the cell, which is nothing but the Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. It is present in the eukaryotic cell especially. So let us discuss how it play the role of a traffic police within the cell. So let us discuss, and yes, before going to the discussion, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and stay tuned with. So the Golgi apparatus was discovered in the year of 1898 by an Italian biologist Camillo Golgi. As per the name of the scientist, it is called Golgi body. Golgi is a cellular organelle present in most of the eukaryotic organisms. It is referred to as the manufacturing and shipping center of the cell. Golgi is involved in packaging of protein. Here is the displaying image of a cartoon shows the packaging of a protein. It packages the protein molecules before they are sent to their destination point, which is nothing but different part of cells. These organelles help in processing and packing the macromolecules like protein and lipids that are synthesized by the cell. Not only protein but also it helps somehow in the packaging of lipid. As it helps in packaging of macromolecules, hence it is known as the post office of the cell. After packaging, it is transferred to different part of the body. So it is the post office of cell. As all the parcels are ready in the post office, and before departure from the destination point, it is packaging there in the post office. Similar way, protein and lipids are packed inside the Golgi body. So Golgi is called as the post office of cell. Okay. Next is structure of Golgi apparatus. Under the electron microscope, the Golgi apparatus is seen to be composed of stacks of a flattened structure that contain numerous vesicles containing secretory granules. These are the secretory vesicles. Golgi apparatus is morphologically very similar in both plant and animals. Golgi apparatus appear as a complex array of interconnecting tubule. This tubule-like structure are interconnecting tubule, vesicle. These are the vesicle and cisterna. These faces of the tubules are nothing but the cisterna. So let us discuss the parts of Golgi. So these are the cisterna. These are the cisterna. These faces are the cisterna. It is the simplest unit of Golgi apparatus. These are central flattened plate-like or saucer-like closed compartment that are held in parallel bundle of stack one above another. This is one above another one, next another one, so one above another. The arrangement is here in cisterna. Each stack cisterna are separated by a space of 20 to 30 nm, which may contain rod-like element or fiber. Space in between two cisterna are 20 to 30 nanometer. Each stalk of a cisterna form a dictyosome which may contain 5 to 6 Golgi cisternae in animal cell or 20 or more cisternae in plant cell. Each cisterna is bounded by a smooth unit membrane having a lumen varying with width from about 500 to 1000 nanometer. The margin of each cisterna are gently curved. These are the cisterna and the margin is somehow curved. This curves it. Curve so that entire dictyosome of Golgi apparatus taken a bow-like appearance. These are the cisterna. It is looks like a bow somehow this. So it is a bow-like appearance. The cisterna at the convex end of a dictyosome comprises proximal forming or cis phase and distal is formed transphase. So here is the cis phase and distal part is formed transphase. Next part of Golgi is tubule, a complex array of associated vesicle and antrostoming tubules which is around 30 to 50 nanometer in diameter surrounds the dictyosome and radiate from it. These are the bow-like structure which we discussed in our last slide. This is the bow-like structure and the tip is tubule. It is lace-like structure. Next part is vesicle. The vesicles are of three types, that is transitional vesicle, secretory vesicle and Clathrin. In transitional vesicles, these membranes are small, limited, which are thought to form as a valves from the transitional endoplasmic reticulum to migrate and cover the cis phase of Golgi. Cis phase, proximal end, this phase, so vesicles are present in between endoplasmic reticulum and at the cis phase of Golgi is known as a transitional vesicle or transport vesicle. These are close to cisternae. These are just look like here the distance between. These are the closely situated inside the cisternae. Next is secretory vesicle. These are various size membrane limited vesicles that discharge from the margin of a cisterna of Golgi. Often they occur in between maturing of phase of Golgi and plasma membrane, that is the transphase of Golgi. You may say the vesicle which is situated at the cis phase is known as transitional vesicle and the vesicle which present at the trans end or transphase of Golgi is known as secretory vesicle which is placed near to plasma membrane. Here is the cell membrane or plasma membrane and here is the vesicle. This is the secretory vesicle. Last is Clathrin. Clathrin coated vesicles are spherical protuberance about 50 micrometer in diameter and with a rough surface. The Clathrin coated vesicles are known to play a role in intracellular traffic of membrane and secretory products, that is lies in between endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi. These are the secretory. Here is the secretory. Proteins are secreted by outside. Here are some secretory vesicles also in between endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi. So, The vesicle in between ear and Golgi is the Clathrin coated vesicle. The vesicle which present at the cis face is known as a transitional vesicle, and the vesicle which present at the trans face of Golgi near to plasma membrane is known as a secretory vesicle. I hope you are clear with the vesicles. Next is the function. Some points are we already discussed, जैसे कि traffic police of cell plays key role in setting of many cell protein, packaging of protein and lipid, involved in formation of certain cellular organelles like plasma membrane and lysosome, etc. Involved in transport of lipid molecules around the cell. Also major site of synthesis of carbohydrate include glycosaminoglycans. Process of phosphorylation of molecules by Golgi requires the import of ATP into the lumen of Golgi. In plant, Golgi apparatus is mainly involved in secretion of materials of a primary and secondary shell. So these are some basic function of Golgi. Here we complete with Golgi apparatus. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box. And if you need any change, any suggestion, topic, any content, please comment.